US just activated a weapon so silent and deadly, you won't even know you're hit. The US's new laser-firing aircraft carrier is finally in action, and the way it works will blow your mind. This is the USS Gerald R. Ford, home to one of the world's first ship-mounted laser cannons. This technology fires with surgical precision, just like a laser pointer, but powerful enough to disable a target's engine without damaging anything else. And the craziest part, it's silent, invisible, instant. If enemies get hit, they won't even know what happened. These lasers can vaporize threats on land, sea, or in the air, even fast-moving drones or missiles. So how does it work? It uses a solid-state laser array to generate a super-focused infrared beam that travels at the speed of light. That means no delay, threat detected, threat gone. And unlike normal weapons, it can fire multiple shots without ever needing ammo.